You want to be an interior designer, but you're constantly feeling that you don't have technical skills or any experience. The first thing that you need to know in interior design to be a success is that the kind of skills that you think you need are not the kind of skills that you actually need to be a successful interior designer. And these are the ones that are holding everybody back. So the main thing to consider and the main thing that you need to do is know that the skills that you already have are transferable into interior design. What do I mean by that? Well, what most people think that they need are technical skills and ability, but the vast majority of the things that you're doing as an interior designer are not going to be those things. So what do we do as interior designers? Well, most of the time what we are doing is problem solving. We're running projects, we're negotiating, we're trying to push ideas through with builders and trying to understand our clients. We need maturity. We need a lot of things that most people are afraid to see that these are actually real skills. But these are the things that we do on a daily basis as interior designers. Yes, you need technical skills. Yes, you need design skills to be able to draw and to be able to put together a design scheme. But the vast majority of what you're doing as an interior designer is not that. And those skills can be learned in a couple of weeks, which is what my mentorship is about. So in my mentorship, we go through all of those bits and pieces that you do need, of course, on the day-to-day, which is learning to draw, learning how to design, learning how to run projects, learning how to price projects, learning how to run a project from start to finish, learning how to undertake the difference between a commercial project or a residential project. All of those bits and pieces we go through. However, the biggest piece is knowing right now that you already have the skills to do it, and that is what's holding you back. Don't forget, people who are trained at university, like architects and other interior designers who have been through the formal or traditional route, they also don't have the type of experience that you think everyone else has. So you're still coming into the industry at a very similar level, because the biggest misconception is those people who have been university trained somehow have more technical skill or ability more than you, but they don't. They actually have, in many cases, a lot less, because they've just got theoretical information and knowledge, rather than the vast majority of people who I mentor in my mentorship program, who have been renovating their own projects, who have hands-on experience, but don't realize that that does count as technical experience. That does count towards being able to run a project. That does count towards you being more confident speaking to a builder and getting your ideas across, rather than somebody who's fresh out of university. So if you're interested in becoming an interior designer a little bit later in life, changing careers, have a look at our mentorship program. It's the fastest and safest way to change into the career doing my mentorship program.